It's 40-minute drive. He's been gone since this morning. It's dark now.
National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 1:30 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:28 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just south of San Pedro and Long Beach, moving north at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Torrance, Rancho Palos Verde, Port of Los Angeles, Rolling Hills, Carson, Los Angeles Harbor, Wilmington, Harbor City, Signal Hill, and Lakewood. Radar shows some rotation with this storm, so it may produce a weak tornado. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room and a sturdy structure. Large hail, damaging wind, and cloud-to-ground lightning are expected with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Can Billy come out to play?